Hello, this is Leena Lal, and today the big question we are going to address is this the end of unfiltered comedy in India? What happens when comedians stop joking? When laughter isn't just about fun, but fear? When one controversy sends shock waves through an entire industry? That's exactly where we are right now. In the wake of Ranveer Alabhadia's India's Got Latent controversy, comedian Harsh Gujral has quietly deleted episodes of his YouTube show, The Escape Room. No explanation, no statement, just gone. So the big question is Indian comedy heading for a downfall? Are comedians and creators now censoring themselves out of fear? Or is this much needed course correction for an industry that's been walking a fine line for years? Let's dive in. Here's what's at stake. Comedy thrives on risk. The best comedians push boundaries, challenge norms, and say the things most people are afraid to. But when the fear of backlash looms large, will they still take those risks? If every joke needs corporate approval or a legal disclaimer, what happens to the raw, unfiltered humor that made stand up and digital comedy popular in the first place? The domino effect on influencers. Harsh Gujral isn't the first, and he won't be the last. Brands are already pulling out of deals with influencers post India's Got Latent. Vlogger Shehnaz Treasurywala has openly said she was dropped from a brand partnership because companies don't want to associate with influencers right now. If comedians and creators are now seen as risky investments, will brands stop backing them altogether? Where do we draw the line? Every society has its limits on what is acceptable. The real question is, who decides what's funny and what's offensive? Are we heading towards a world where comedy becomes sanitized, corporate approved product? Or is this a natural evolution where comedians adapt to new cultural sensitivities? This isn't just about one deleted show. It's about the future of comedy and content creation in India. Are we entering an era of self-censorship where comedians and influencers are too afraid to speak freely? Or will this force creators to be sharper, more thoughtful, and more innovative with their humor? One thing is clear, Indian comedy is at a crossroad. The question is, where do we go from here? Do let us know your thoughts. This is Leena Lal signing off. Keep watching Famous TV for more such content.